In my experience, unveiling its meaning and usage. Hello, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating phrase, in my experience. This phrase is not only common in English conversations but also enriches your expression by adding a personal touch to your statements. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it effectively. In my experience, is a phrase used to share personal knowledge or observations. It indicates that the information or opinion that follows is based on the speaker's own life experiences. This phrase is often used to add credibility or a personal perspective to a statement, without claiming it as a universal truth. To better understand how to use, in my experience, let's look at some examples. 1. In a professional setting, in my experience, clear communication is key to a successful project. 2. In personal advice, in my experience, traveling helps you grow as a person. 3. In academic discussions, in my experience, studying with a group is more effective than studying alone. This phrase has variations that carry a similar meaning, such as, from what I've seen, based on what I've observed. From my perspective, understanding these can help you diversify your speech and writing. In my experience, is versatile, but it's best used when you want to share personal insights or anecdotes. You're providing advice based on personal history. You're participating in discussions where personal perspective adds value. Thank you for watching. In my experience, is a powerful phrase that adds depth and personal touch to your communication. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.